Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be going through how to navigate the dashboard using the editor account, dashboard menus, screen options, and how to log out of the dashboard. I'm now at the dashboard of the editor account. At the left, you'll see the different menus. We normally call this the left-hand menu. At the top, when you hover over the website title, you can click on Visit Site. This will bring you to your website. And when you're logged in, you will see a top menu bar. You can navigate to different pages. And to go back to the dashboard again, hover over your site title and click on Dashboard. At the center, when you're at the dashboard, you'll see all these panels. To tidy this up, you can use screen options. Let's say remove at a glance. I want the activity. No, I don't want the activities. I want my latest submissions. I don't want quick draft, and I want to see WordPress events. All right. And that's how you clear up or add more screen elements to the dashboard. Now, to log out, hover over your name and click on Logout. You have the message you are now logged out.